Hello, today let's talk about your air conditioning system on your Mazda CX-5. Woo, this is a fridge inside your car. Operate the air conditioning system with the engine is running, of course, because it needs so much power, and this will get down your battery power really fast if you do this without a running machine. To prevent the battery from being discharged, do not leave the van control dial switch for a long period of time with the ignition switched on when the engine is not running. This is really important. With I-stop, the airflow amount may decrease slightly while the I-stop function is operating. That means if you stop on a traffic light and your car will shut down automatically, the airflow will go down a little bit lower. But this is normal. This is really normal. Do not be afraid of that. Clear all obstructions such as leaves, snow, and ice from the bonnet and the air inlet in the coal grill to improve the system efficiency. Use the air conditioning system to defog the window and dehumidify the air. The recirculate mode should be used when driving through tunnels or while in a traffic jam, or when you would like to shut off outside air for quick cooling of the interior. Use the outside air position for ventilation or windscreen defrosting. If the vehicle has been parked in direct sunlight during hot weather, open the windows to let the warm air escape before you run the air conditioning system. Run the air conditioner about 10 minutes at least once a month to keep internal parts lubricated. This is really important because if you do not do this, your air conditioning system or components of your air condition can be harmed. Have the air conditioner checked before the weather gets hot. Because they can produce some leaking thing after a couple of years, and it's better to lack this maintenance that your air conditioner is always operating. On the front side, at the rear side, at the sides, you have vent operation. You have so many. You have center vents, rear vents, side vents. You have a knob in the center. You have an open and close lever, a round dial. Open is up, close is down. The knob will set the adjustment of where your air should be going. If you see the AC air conditioner system, you can have some programs there. You have the instrument panel vents that comes in front of you. Defrost and floor vents. Defrost vents is only front side. Instrument panel and floor vent setup or only the floor vents. If you are going to have a manual Jeep, you have on the left side knob the temperature control dial, in the center the van control dial, and on the right side the mode selector dial. Here you can switch the AC on or off. In the center you can the air intake selector or switch. On the right side the rear window defog switch is possible on the right side. This is a manual type. Here you can see this is not the manual type. This is a fully automatic type. Yeah. On the left side, you can see the driver temperature control dial. On the right side, you can see the passenger's temperature control dial. That means two separate areas to get the airs coming out in a different temperature if you like. You can use the right switch to make a dual switch. That means if you push the dual switch, you can adjust the temperature on both sides at the same time. If you press again the dual switch, you can adjust right and left as you like. Then you have an air intake selector. This is outside air position. That means the air comes from the outside and will cool down or heat up from the inside. Next step is the air intake selector. This is a recirculated air position. That means if you are in traffic jam, if you have out there, it's so foggy, it's so cold, etc., you can use this to let not new air is coming out of the outside into your car. That means you will recirculate your air. You can switch between air intake selection or the air intake selector on the right side. Then there is an AC mode switch. This switch will switch between all different air condition system setups. That means you can switch on the air condition, of course. You can choose the eco mode. You can switch the AC off. On the bottom side is the off switch. Because you do not have to use your air condition if you not like. You can push the left out switch button to make all the fully automatic type options are enabled, of course. But you do not have to do this. You can do it by your own, by pushing the A/C button. Then the eco mode or the AC mode and the eco mode or the only AC mode will be enabled. Or, of course, nothing. That 3 or 4 options are there from. We have the next button, that is the screen defroster switch. That means this automatic type, fully automatic type, will go to the defrost function on the front side. That means the defrost panel will be enabled. The vents in the front side will get some air out of it. And this air should be warm. So for the defrost on the front side. The same thing is possible on the rear side. That is the rear window defogger switch. The rear window defogger switch will enable lines on the back side window, and there will come a little bit warmer than the outside, and this will melt the snow, etc., from the screen. And then it drops down, and you have you all defrosted easily. The defrost or defogger switch. Yeah, let's go. In the center display, you can see some information about the temperature, what you're choosing. On the left side, you can see the van control switch. Minus is lower the van. Plus is go up with the van. If you go up with the van, it's louder inside, of course, but you have more air traffic interior. If you go down, it is silent or it is mute because you have no circulation inside. This is good to get a lot of air coming out from the outside into the inside, or if you're in recirculated air position, you can dehumidify your interior easily, really easy. This is awesome. These 2 buttons, van control switch. So there's an off switch, of course, that will make off your air conditioner system. Easy, isn't it? Automatic mode on the left side will switch on. Automatic, it will make an automatic way. Everything was set up by your car itself. The only thing you have to do is program the right temperature level. Job's done. This is the auto switch. Airflow temperature, amount of airflow, select of airflow mode, outside recirculation air zone, air condition operation, AC or AC eco selection. That is possible by pressing the auto switch. This function will be automatically controlled. And then there is the mode selector switch. The mode selector switch will select the different situation of airflow. Here, this is the floor vents. The floor vents plus the defrost function. This is the instrument panel vents, and you can choose the instrument panel and floor vents, or on the defrost vents. This will have a setup between all satellites around you. It's really easy. And you can see the temperature control dial, the mode selector switch, the AC switch, everything's processed. The air conditioner operates when the AC switch is pressed while the air conditioner is turned off. The AC Eco function is designed to economize use of the air conditioner system. AC Eco is displayed to indicate that the air conditioning system is operating at optimum control. The air conditioner may not function when the outside temperature approach 0 degrees Celsius. These are 32 Fahrenheit. And it's better to switch off your air conditioner system before 5 minutes of coming to your destination, because this will it's a bad thing mechanically for your air conditioning system. Okay, but these are all easy to use, as you can see, and it's so comfortable with the fully automatic type of the air conditioner system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Automatic Way. Soon.